Hi, this is Dr. Vikas Sinha, an entrepreneur, facilitator, and a public speaker. Today, the whole world is fighting with this pandemic, COVID 19, and we all are staying at our home. We all are doing our all necessary work by staying at our home only and making a social distance, making a distance with our family member also. Even during this period also, we are taking care, we must be take care of our health. Just to maintain the immunity level of our health, we are doing some yoga, some exercises, just staying at our home only. But are we taking care the health of our another family member? Yes, that family member is none other than our car, our vehicles, which are parked just outside or in the garage of our apartment or our house. So the tips how to maintain or how to uplift the health of our cars, just the immunity level of our car. The first tip is the parking area. The parking area of our car should be a covered parking area. It may be a garage or the basement of our apartment. During this also, in the basement of our apartment, or if the car is parked on the road or outside, as just in the metros, the cars are just parked on the outside only. So we should cover the car with a proper body cover, just to avoid the direct sunlight or the buds props, even the dust particles, leaves on the body. So it is very necessary to just cover the car with a proper body cover, or park your car in a covered garage. Okay. The second point is just disconnect the battery terminal of your vehicle or your car. Why to disconnect? As the battery terminals are connected, if the battery terminals are connected, then there may be a chances that the battery may be drained out, or it will be discharged after 5 to 10 days. So we should disconnect the terminals of our battery. But in any case, if we all are unable to disconnect the battery terminals, then what we should do? So we should start our car engine within a gap of 5 to 6 days, just to regenerate or re-energize our battery. Okay. And after that, when we will do this activity, then even after 1 month or 2 months, the battery will not discharge, and when the lockdown period will be over, then we can start our car very easily and we can go anywhere. Okay. Now the next step is that we should keep the cleaning of our interiors. The interior should be very clean. Why? We will discuss it. Why the interior should be very clean and what to do to clean the interior. When within a gap of 5 to 6 days, when we start our engine of the car to recharge our battery, then what we should do? We should switch on the switches of the AC or the blower. And what will happen with this? The AC and the blower, all the dirts which is situated in the vent of the AC, it will come out, and a very fresh air will recirculate inside the cabin of the vehicle, the passenger cabin of the vehicle. So this is very much required. Now what to do next? All the seat and the mats of the car should be very clean. There should not be any foreign particle. There should not be any food items or the junk foods. Why? Because it may create a bad smell inside the car, and yes, these food particles also attracts the rodents, the rats and mice. Okay, so we should not there should not be any foreign particles or the garbage or the food items. So it should be very cleaned. Okay, now the next step, what to do? We should not park our car with a handbrake. Why? Because for a prolonged parked area for the car. If the car is parked for a prolonged time, then what will happen? There is a chances of getting jammed the handbrake of the cable of the handbrake. So we should avoid to park our vehicle with a handbrake. What to do? We can just park our vehicle just engaging our first gear. If we engage our car in a first gear, then it's a safer steps rather than to park in a handbrake. Okay. Now additionally we can do one more thing. We can park our vehicle just by the traditional way, by putting a piece of wood or piece of brick just behind the tires to avoid the rolling of the tires. So this may be another way just to avoid the rolling of the tire. Okay. Now the another thing is how to protect our cars with the rodents, with the rats and the mice. Then this is a very critical things, and even not only during this lockdown period, even in the normal cases also, we are listening with our some customers and some neighbors that the rats just get inside the rats and just cut the cable of the car, and the cars are not getting start. So these are the common problem by the car owners. So what we should do? First of all, the rats, these rodents are very much attracted with the dark area, with the even with the area where there is a garbage, there is a dirt. So first of all, if possible, we should park our car just by opening the hood of our car engine. So what will happen if we just open the hood of our car engine? Then there is a chances that the engine area will be illuminated, will be lighted, and there is no space just to make a place for that rats. Okay. Now there should not be any foods or garbage, as I discussed in the earlier. So there should not be any garbage, because the rats are always attracted with these foods and these garbage. Okay, these are the very comfortable place for the rats. Now what to do? First of all, just to avoid the attraction of these rodents inside your car, what should we do? First of all, the car should be parked in the lighted area. Now the precautions and the steps what to do. We can make 2-3 bags of cotton clothes, and what should be inside the cotton clothes? We should just put some tobacco and the naphthalene or the camphor kapoor. We should put all the mixture of these things in 2-3 packs, and we can keep it in the cabinet of our engine. What will happen with this? These are a very the smell of these things is a very much repellent of these rodents. So these are a very effective repellent. So we can do this, and these are the ways just to maintain the health of our car, just to keep a healthy and immune car. So these are the necessary steps. So thank you very much.